Have you ever noticed how some shops just seem to get it when it comes to every season? Their windows change, the offers feel fresh, and suddenly you can't help but walk in. That's not by accident. It's smart seasonal marketing. Every season, people are already searching for something: gifts, new clothes, holiday treats, or just a bit of fun. If your business shows up with the right offer at the right time, you don't have to push. Customers come to you. The secret? Plan ahead. Make a calendar, budget for campaigns, and stock up on what people will want. Tease new offers early. Launch at just the right moment. Try special discounts, bundles, and themed gift guides. Don't forget social media. Run fun contests, post sneak peeks, and get influencers involved. Send out engaging emails, update your website with festive banners, and create landing pages just for the season. After each campaign, look at what worked. Check your sales, website visits, and new followers. Listen to your customers. Adjust, learn, and come back stronger next time. Ready to turn your business into a year-round favorite? Contact Market and Gear today, and let's plan your next winning campaign.